Hello students, welcome to this session. In this session, we will look at the important questions from the topic time and work for the examination TS and AP ICET. The weightage of this topic, here, minimum of 2 questions, maximum 4 questions. We can expect minimum 2 and maximum 4 questions from this topic in AP ICET as well as in TS ICET. Now let's look at the important questions from this topic. Look at this example, question number 1 on your screen. P and Q together can do your work in 32 days, P and R together in 48 days, R and Q together in 24 days. In how many days can P alone do the same work? P plus Q, 32 days, and P plus R, 28 days, R plus Q, 24 days. When you add these 3, what you will get? P plus Q, Q plus R, P plus R. Means 2 times P, 2 times Q, 2 times R. Just let me write down the first one. 2 times of P, 2 times of Q, 2 times of R is sum of these 3. P plus Q, Q plus R, P plus R. 1 by 32, that is a 1 day work. 1 by 48, 1 day work. 1 by 24, it is also 1 day work. How much is the LCM of these numbers? 32, 48 and 24. LCM, it is 96. 32, it goes how many times? 3 times. And what about 48? 2 times. 24, that is 4 times. Now, 1 day work of P plus Q, 1 day work of Q plus R, 1 day work of P plus R. By adding all these, we get 1 day work of 2 times of P, 2 times of Q, 2 times of R. By adding all these, just look at this one. P plus Q plus R is equal to how much here? 3 plus 2 plus 4, that is 9 by 96 into 2. Into 2 means I am taking this to other side. That is the 1 day work of P plus Q plus R together. And he is asking to find out P alone can complete the work in how many days? This is all together value. From all together, just subtract Q plus R to get the value of P. Means 9 by 96 into 2. 96 into 2 is equal to 192. Minus Q plus R. What is the value of Q plus R? Q plus R is equal to 1 by 24. 1 by 24. So 9 by 192 minus 1 by 24. Simplify this. Of course, 192 is the LCM. So 9 minus 8. 8 times of 24. 8 times of 20, 160 plus 32. 4 times of 8, 32. So what is the result? 1 by 192. This is the 1 day work of P. 1 day work of P is equal to 1 by 192. What is the full time? 192 days. So P alone can complete the whole work in 192 days. So right choice, option number 2. Second choice is the right answer. Now look at the second example. Example 2 on your screen. P is twice as fast as Q and R together. P is twice as fast as Q and R together. What is the efficiency ratio? It is 2:1. What is 2:1? It's an efficiency ratio. Working together, all the 3 can complete the work in 21 days. All together, P, Q, R together can complete in 21 days. In how many days can Q and R together complete the work? In how many days? Q and R can complete the work. Q and R together can complete the work means this part we need to find. All together means 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 can complete in 21 days, then what is that? Q and R means 1 is equal to how many days? What I am doing here, I am applying the concept of M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. I am using the concept of M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. Together 2 plus 1, 3. They can complete in how many days? 21 days. And Q plus R, that is 1, is equal to how many days? When the number of men increases, days will decrease. Now, based on the efficiency here, now simplify, you will get answer 63. So, what is the right choice? Option number 2. Second choice is the right answer. Now, look at the next example on your screen. Question number 3. P and Q can do a work in 14 and 21 days respectively. P started the work and after 9 days, Q joined him. Q joined after 9 days. Whereas individually, they can complete the work in 14 and 21 days respectively. If the total earnings for the entire work rupees 280, what is the share of P? The share of P to be fine. If you observe this question carefully, here P started the work, Q joined after 9 days. P joined after 9 days. So, I am taking here in 1 day, P can complete 1 by 14 and Q can complete 1 by 21 part of the work. 1 day work of P and Q. But what happened here? D days is the number of days that Q worked for, and whereas P worked for 9 plus D days, means he started 9 days before Q joins. The part of the work done by Q and the part of the work done by P, sum of these two is equal to total work. Simplify, of course, by using LCM. What is the LCM here? 42. 14, it goes how many times? 3 times. So, 3 times of the numerator, 27 plus 3D plus 2 times of the 21, that is 2D is equal to 1. By taking numbers on one side and variables on the other side, 2 plus 3, that is 5D is equal to 42 minus 27. How much is the value of 5D? How much is the value of 5D? It is 15. The number of days, it is 3. What is the share of P? Share of P means now P worked for 9 plus D days, 9 plus 3, that is 12 days. Now the efficiency capacity is 12 by 4. What is the total amount? That is 280. Divide the total amount based on the efficiency. Now what is that? It goes exactly how many times? 20 times. The result is 240. Option 2 is the right answer. Second choice is the right choice. Of course, we can answer the same question in one more way. Just look at the second method for the same question. If you observe this question carefully, here P is the person who started the work and he worked for 9 days. After 9 days, Q joined. So, P worked for 9 days. P alone worked for 9 days means he will finish 9 by 14th part of the work. So, what amount he will get for that work? Means simplify, you will get, it goes exactly 20 times. So, this is the 180 rupees. P is earning 180 rupees for first 9 days. What happened? Now, Q joined and they together completed the remaining work. What is the efficiency of P and Q means? Here days ratio, if you observe, you will get days ratio as 2:3. 14 and 21. That is 2:3 is the days ratio. This is the ratio of number of days. What about the efficiency ratio? Efficiency ratio is equal to 3:2. So, 3 by sum of the ratios, that is 5. Out of total amount 280, already 180 is given to P, the remaining is 100. So, divide the 100 based on this. What is the value it will give? 20 into 3. that is 60 rupees. Just add 60 rupees to this 180. 180 plus 60, that is 240 rupees. What is the share of? What is the share of P? Now for first 9 days, he is drawing 180 rupees out of 280, the remaining 100 rupees. In that remaining 100 rupees, based on the efficiency, P will get 60 rupees. 60 plus 180, that is 240. Right choice, option number 2. Now, look at the next example. 8 men or 10 boys can do a work in 36 days. 8 men or 10 boys can do a work in 36 days. In how many days 16 men and 5 boys can do the work? What do you mean by this statement? 8 men or 10 boys can complete a work in 36 days means 8 men are taking 36 days as well as the 10 boys. It means the capacity of 8 men is equal to capacity of the 10 boys. 8 men capacity, efficiency of 8 men is equal to 10 boys. Efficiency. Now 16 men means 2 times of 8. 2 times of 8 is 16. So 2 times of 10, that is 20 boys. In place of 16 men, just I am writing 20 boys. 20 boys plus 5 boys. How much? 25 boys. Can complete the work in how many days? When 10 boys can complete the work in 36 days. Yes, my dear students, please pause the video and simplify. You will get answer. What is the cancellation? Simplify it. Now the cancellation 5 2 times, 5 here, 5 times. What is the result? The result is 72 by 5. How much it is? It is 14 times of 5, 70 and left with 2. The remainder is 2. The answer for this question 14, 2 by 5 is the right answer. So option number 3, third choice is the right answer. Third choice is the right answer. Of course, we can answer the same question in one more way. Now I will tell you the method. Just note of this. Whenever you get a question like this by using the condition OR, simply take the numbers given in the first line, that is 8 men, 10 boys and 36 days. Just take this on the numerator side of the fraction. What is the next? 8 men, 10 boys, 16 men and how many boys? 5 boys. Whereas in the denominator, just observe sum of the cross multiplication. 8 into 5, please look at 8 into 5, next 10 into 16. Simplify this. Now the cancellation. What is the cancellation here? 8 into 10 into 36 by 8 into 5, that is 40, and 10 into 16, it is a 160. How much is the sum of these two? That is 200. Now the cancellation. So 0 to 0 we can cancel. 4 it goes to 2 times, 4 here 5 times. The result is 72 by 5. The right choice, option 3. Third choice is the right answer. That is the alternate approach. Now look at the next example. Pipe A can fill a tank in 8 hours. Due to leak at the bottom, it takes 10 hours to fill the tank. In what time can the leak empty 3/5 of the tank? So in 3/5 of the tank, it can empty in how much time? Pipe A can fill a tank in 8 hours. It is a filling pipe. Leakage pipe. The leakage pipe is found at the bottom and the time is not given. It takes 10 hours to fill the tank when both the pipes are opened. What do you mean by this? It takes 10 hours to fill the tank. means along with the filling pipe, the leakage pipe is also opened. Now it will take 10 hours to fill the tank. Without leakage pipe, it will take 8 hours. Now, what is the meaning of this means? 1 by 8, that is a 1 hour. In 1 hour, the pipe A can fill 1 by 8 of the tank. Leakage pipe, the leakage pipe time is not given, so I am taking 1 by x. X is the number of hours that it can empty the full tank. Now, when these two are opened together, it is taking how much time? 10 hours, means they can fill 1 by 10th part of the tank in 1 hour. Find out the value of x. What is the value of x means? 1 by x is equal to 1 by 8 minus 1 by 10. How much is the LCM? 40 is the LCM. It goes 5 times and 4 times. So, what is the result? The value of x is equal to 40. X is equal to 40. So, x is equal to 40. Now, what to find here? In what time can the leak empty the 3/5 of the tank? Full tank it can empty in 40 hours. 3/5 of the tank. 3/5 of the tank means 3/5 of 40. What is the discussion? 5. It goes exactly 8 times. The product of these two numbers is answer. How much it is? 24 hours. So, right choice, option number 1. First choice is the right answer. Yes, my dear students, if you observe this question carefully, one is a filling pipe, other is a emptying pipe. Here, 1 by x minus 1 by 8 minus 1 by x is equal to 1 by 10. One is a filling pipe, other is a emptying pipe. So, instead of doing all these steps, you can apply the formula of product by difference. If you observe the formula of product by difference, you will find the x value directly. Just look at the application part. 8 into 10 by difference of these two, that is 40. What it will give? It will give the emptying pipe capacity. So, emptying pipe can empty the full tank in 40 hours. So, what we need to find? 3/5. So, 3/5 means 3 by 5. So, 5 it goes how many times? 2 times. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24. So, what is the right answer? Option 1 is the right answer. Hope you have copied all the information given in these videos. Now, please subscribe to our channel and please follow the videos shared to you on our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. All the best.